everyone, welcome back to Uzalo Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press that subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, today we're celebrating Ndomfuthi Dlamene's birthday, who is well known with her amazing character Mama Madlala Uhlobo on Uzalo SABC 1. Many people always argue her age. Guys, according to Wikipedia, Mama Madlala was born in 1985, January 21. So today she turned 37. You guys know that some characters make them look way older than their original age, just like Uhlobo Umadongwe, who will be turning 39 years this year. Guys, Mama Madlala used to be a cleaner, and in 2014 she heard about Uzalo auditions and decided to try her luck. The judges were impressed. Today she is a well-known actress because of her beautiful craft. Happy birthday to her. Indeed, she is doing very well. Uhlobo. If you love her, leave your comment below and let's share some love on the comment section. Bye. Hello everyone.